I even need to get my hair did anymore? For what? Ain't no sense of front no more. You even trying to be the baddest bitch. You hoes out here looking so raggedy. You wear pajamas to the store. What I need to get an outfit for or get my hair did? Fuck that, I'm done. I'm finna just embrace my little shit the way it is. I look good. Just as good as the rest of you ratchet hoes. You're wearing pajamas everywhere you go. You fat in the motherfucker. What Patrice need to get clean for? All this stress and fucking for money. I don't need to do this. I can look raggedy like the rest of you hoes in Muskegon. Front, I get me a fake ass purse and go fight up there at Shell's gas station with you hoes over some nigga that's going to jail or prison. Either or. Y'all gonna have babies by a motherfucker you know gonna get locked up. So why even try to upkeep a bitch? I can stay looking just like I am. I ain't gonna stress no more, go to no hair salon. I'm just gonna step out. Some thirsty nigga holler at me. He can come on, I got my own spot. These niggas ain't got nowhere to go. Bring you a drink, nigga, what you think? We get it in and go on. But a bitch on birth control, I know better. You hoes the ones silly. Patrice out, I get my hair did when I get it did. It don't matter. I can go somewhere just like this. I just throw a bun on top of my shit. Bye.